and San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bexar County until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stinson Municipal Airport, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, Schertz, Stinson Municipal Airport, Kirby, St. Hedwig, Elmendorf, China Grove, Calaveras Lake, Converse, Sandy Oaks, Buena Vista, Martinez, Mitchell Lake, Parita, Losoya, Southton, Sayers, Brook City Base, Adkins, and Browning Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunder.